I went to the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree in Cuba, Missouri. We went today. My husband and I had date day. We did no work around the house as required by law on date day. I'm kidding. We actually did a few touch-ups from last night. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Jeri-Ann. My husband's name is Jim. We are going to be sharing with you a pantry makeover, and we got 98% of it done last night, and we have to do the other 2%. We did about 0.5% today, and we're gonna do the other 1.5% tomorrow, and then I'll be able to present that to you. But on date day, it is also a requirement that we go to the Dollar Tree, at least one. So on date day, my husband treated me to the Dollar Tree. I found the bunny steaks.
Awesome pepper.
Jim actually found the bunny steaks. He dug up this one, which is like a mama and baby, and that one is really cute. He's got his Easter basket and his bow tie in front of him. I just think they're so adorable. I don't know that we'll use them for garden steaks, but we might. That's 100% possible. No. Do you want to take your stuff? You don't have to, but do you want to? Oh, he left. I'm talking to him as he's leaving. I always love a big bag, but then getting all the stuff out, that's a whole nother story. Okay. So if you watched with me recently, I talked about not having my St. Patrick's Day DIY stuff, and I didn't find any foam shamrocks this year because I don't know, and we never got to do it yet, so we'll probably hopefully do it tomorrow. Do you see that's still Valentine's Day? But at the Cuba, because they had a little bit more St. Patrick's Day stuff than they did in Rolla, because Rolla is the home of Missouri S&T College, University, excuse me, and St. Patrick is the mascot is the Miners. It used to be a minor college, M-I-N-E-R, like digging in the rocks. And St. Patrick is the patron saint of miners, and St. Patrick's Day around here is a big deal. They have a big race and the whole nine. So this stuff sells out. There's actually like a drinking game where you drive past the dorms and they sit outside and honk and I'll take a shot kind of thing. So I picked up 2 packages. Each one has 12 foam shamrocks in them. You get 6 dark green and 6 light green. Now it used to be that the dark green didn't have glitter on them, but now they look like they both have glitter on them. So they also, I picked up 1 more of these because this is the last DIY day I have coming. It's a really cute, I basically have 5 easy projects coming. 4, 3. I have some easy St. Patrick's Day. So stay tuned for that. I also heard they have all these new greens, and I was really excited to find ivy on a pick. And there is a ton of ivy here. And ivy's just so, but there was only 1 at my store, because you know I would have bought more. Ivy is such a good base for all of our spring DIY wreaths and stuff. They're really pretty. They did have ivy on like garlands, but they were just so sparse. There's way more leaves on here than there are on the garlands. And I picked up 2 ferns. The ferns are like, I don't want to say paper, but they definitely feel like a real thin fabric, even, like, I don't know how to describe it. And then they also have like the plastic one in there that's supposed to be like the new growth on the end of there. So I picked up 2 of those because I was excited that they had them. But the most excited thing when I first walked in the store was they did, so I got 2 forsythia. Oh, hold on. See, I told the girl, I said, how long have you worked here? A long time? And she said, since November. I said, well, I'm a blossoms down kind of a girl, and this blossom was up, and I lost a few of the pussy willows already. I mean, I heard them hit the deck, but I know that's because they were blossoms down. But it's not her fault. I told her don't worry about the just one. But so anyway, I picked up 2 pussy willows, and these are in like the gray color. I don't know if yours, they did have 2 shades, but I don't know if they will everywhere. I really swear I bought 2 forsythia, but I only see 1. That's not right. I wonder if Jim lost one. But they had the yellow forsythia, and then they had the white and pink, both white and pink cherry blossoms. So I picked up 2 of the white cherry blossoms. I love them. They're so happy. They make me so happy. Cherry blossoms remind me of my best friend Sharon, and today's her birthday. We went to the library for her birthday because other than being in the library or the bookstore or the 80s, there's no other place she'd rather be. So she takes her class to Washington, D.C. every year, and it's always around cherry blossom season. So I picked up these. Now, the reason I got these is because I feel like they're better. I know that sounds crazy, but if you have not, I have not bought these in a long time. This feels much more substantial, and it also looks like it's coated and like it's finished, like it won't splinter. And I picked up the small one, and look how perfectly they sit together. I didn't even know that that was a thing. They were actually kind of stuck together, a couple of them, and I had to pull them out. So if you wanted to do like a really fat wreath for them for like $2, look how cute that would be. You could actually lay your flowers in between it, or your eggs, like took these and put all Easter eggs on that seam. Look, hi. So I picked that up as well. All of those came out of the big basket. Okay, let's get the other bags. I know I was so excited to find the black and green buffalo check scarves from St. Patrick's Day, but I did not see these. There are these really pretty plaid ones, and they have, I got 2, so I'll just hold one up for you. They have 2 shades of green and tassels on the ends, and they're just so delicate and pretty. Do you see how pretty that is? So I picked up 2 of those. Also, they had the shamrock stickers, which is also fun for DIYing. I swear I have these, but I think they're up with the St. Patrick's Day decor. And I might not get my St. Patrick's Day decor down. I might have to just DIY myself a whole bunch of stuff this year. Just saying. I'm not complaining about that, by the way. If you guys are not watching Sarah Jane at Chic on the Cheap, not only is she uberly talented, exceptionally beautiful, and just a like warm, kind human being, she's also the queen of scissors. I'm kidding, but she's the one that turned me on to the gardening scissors, the gardening shears that we use, and I use them for crafting. I love them now. I do have different scissors for different things. Like I have one that I use just for paper, and I have one that I use for like moss and stuff. But I mean, for fabric. But anytime I'm doing like moss, ribbon, any of that stuff, this is the way to go. And wire especially. They all have like what's supposed to be like to cut the hedges or the thick branches. That's perfect for wire. But now they have gray handles, and she was like, I hope the gray handles are as good as the green handles, and so do I, because I bought 2. You really, as a crafter, DIYer, 24/7 DIYer, can't have enough scissors. I think there's some Easter stuff in here now. I saw these. I don't think that I've seen them before. I probably have them and I'm old, but I love the size. I know that sounds crazy. They're like a medium size egg. They're not really little, and they're not, I feel like if the eggs came in sizes, these would be size number 2. So they had ones that were smaller, and they had ones that are regular size, and then they had ones that are big. And these are just a little smaller than the regular ones and a little bit bigger than the tiny ones. And you get only 8, but they're pretty. They're metallic. They're like really pretty. They're so pretty. Each one comes with like one in a swirl pattern, one in a chevron or zigzag pattern. Jim I was watching Marie at Crafty Girl haul gummy bears, Haribo stuff, and he loves them. So he was like, I'll meet you down the snack aisle. So he picked up his regular gummy bears, which he loves. These are 4 ounces of Haribo gummy bears, which I'll throw on his couch. But he wanted to try these. She hauled them, and he does like the Coca-Colas. He does like the watermelon, or is it apple rings? But this is basically, it's called Star Mix, and it's like all the different ones. It says all your favorites, and they're just sort of mixed together. So he's gonna try that. He said he wanted to try that, and they were $1. Can you believe it's just $1? It's one of these things I didn't know in the shopping cart. He also picked up himself some Peeps. Now these were not in the candy aisle. These were not in the candy aisle. These were the Easter candy. But listen, it says new. So I've never saw them before, but they are Tootsie Roll eggs. What now? Excuse me? Excuse me? See what I did there? Excuse me? Oh, I cracked myself up. I picked up 2 bags for Easter. I also picked up this for his Easter basket, so I'm glad he's not here. You know, he loves Peeps, and he loves chapstick, so I got him a Peep flavored lip balm. It says vanilla, marshmallow, cream. So they're peep flavored. And this I found at the register, and I totally had to share it with you guys. It is a magnifying glass that lights up. And those are like the 2 problems that I have with things these days. I need a magnifying glass and I need extra light. Now, I haul with this light on. Otherwise, we just have side lamps. And the side lamps, when you're looking to read something that's in front of you, I usually have to take the flashlight off my phone and go ahead and use that when I need that extra light. So I thought hopefully this will work well enough for me. And that's for me, Old Blind Lady. Went the wrong direction. I have a subscriber who's not found me on Instagram. I have people who chat with me on Instagram, people who chat with me through Messenger and email and stuff. And she sent me a picture of some Hobby Lobby things that she wanted me to do for her. Like, they weren't necessarily spring items. So I picked up 2 of these because it's the right shape. They are 2 pails. They say Happy Easter. They only had them in bright, like a darker blue, and then this pink. And I think that since we have to make them white, this pink would probably be covered easier than the dark blue. So I picked up 2 of those. And again, that's for a DIY, like a spring type DIY. They had moss rocks, and I was totally out. So I picked up another pack of moss rocks. You get 10 in here, and they're just like pre-flocked little stones. I mean, they're really cute in your fairy garden and everything too. I know we used them for their XO little buckets last year and different types of DIY, so I picked up that. I know, I found it. So this might not mean anything to you at all whatsoever, but I was looking all over for this last year. What is it you ask? I really have got to go to bed. No, I'm in a good mood because it was date day. This is a 2-piece, like, it's sort of like how you would have an egg. This is a bunny, and he's really cute. And I didn't see him last year. I kept looking and looking and looking. I've not closed him properly. He would be super cute for DIYs. He's got flat bottom girl, to make the rocket girl go round. Anyway, the rocking world go round. If you're my friend from high school, don't make fun of me because I just love that. It was just totally an accident. But he's super cute. I think that he would look really, really cute covered in moss, but I don't know what else. He'd also be really cute, all white. I don't know. I should have bought more than one. Dang it, Jerry. It was really funny because the lady right behind me grabbed up all of the gold eggs. And I was like, ooh, it's a good thing I didn't want those. It's a good thing I want to go back to those. I made Jim pick me up 2 more of these buckets. These are really cute for Easter DIYs. I know I have Easter DIYs with these on my channel already. But I told you they're starting to make them in 2-packs. So if you see the 3-pack and you're a farmhouse girl, pick them up. You never know when you're gonna need a little tiny pail. And 3 for $1 is a really good price. I picked up this really cute, it says window decorations, But there's that little guy, and he's in his little pickup truck. I mean, it really looks like a converted VW van that was turned into a pickup truck. That's really what it looks like. Or the VW pickup truck. Didn't they have one? I think like they might have had one. And he's got his frog. He doesn't have his frog. There is a frog on a lily pad, and a kite, and then a cluster of eggs up here, and then a single egg down there. And again, these would be cute for like windows, but cute for like your book, planners, I don't know, whatever you want to do. Decorations, DIYs. Oh my God, it's so cute. It is a heart-shaped plush, black and white, leopard keychain. That was a lot of details. They had them in pink, like pink and black and blue, and black and white in my store. I don't know if they had other colors and people bought them all out, but that's what they had at my store. And I think that this is my last item, but I just wanted to double check really quick. Yes. So we got this, as I mentioned, well, actually I didn't mention it. I'll mention it tomorrow. So I mentioned it in the vlog that we redid our pantry closet. And our in our mud room, we turned the closet there into a pantry, and I turned the cabinet that was a pantry back into like the closet. And there is no light in there, but I did buy a hanging light fixture. And until it comes, I just said, let's try this. There's electricity in there. There's an outlet in there. And this is a motion sensor nightlight. So I don't know how well it is or how well it works, but we'll let you know. Jimmy was like, yeah, for $1, we'll try it. It says it's LED. LED is usually pretty bright. We have wire shelves, so light can pass through the shelves, you know, wherever there's openings. So we're gonna try that and let you know how it is. That was the only thing that wasn't a DIY item. This video is a little long, so as always, now, if you guys have any questions at all, leave them in the comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel, and you know what? I really need it these days. So is the comment engagement. You know, like if we engage in comments down below, that also makes the channel pump up. But doing videos every day, it's really difficult to have conversations with everybody like it did in the past when I only had 1,000 subscribers and 200 people, not 200 people. 200 people watched the videos and only 20 people commented. It was a lot easier to have conversations with everybody. But why don't you go ahead and leave any questions you have in the comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Anybody who's interested in seeing some spring, Easter, St. Patrick's Day stuff that I got. And if you haven't yet, click subscribe. That button right there. And when you do, a little bell will pop up. Bing. And when you ring that bell, YouTube will let you know whenever I upload a new video. And choose all notifications. This way they'll let you know every single time I upload a video every night, hopefully around 12:01 a.m. Central Standard Time or Central Daylight Time, depends on what time of year it is. Why am I cracking myself up today? And as always, you guys take care, God bless, and we'll see you next time.